Okay, so now we're going to talk about some more angles that are formed when two lines are intersected by a third line called the transversal. So this time we're going to talk about what are called same side interior angles, or they're sometimes also called consecutive interior angles. You'll hear either name used. So same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles. Well, we already know that we would be talking about, in this diagram, we'd be talking about angles that are here on the interior. So here's my transversal. So I'm talking about angles that are in between or in the inside of those two lines, interior, and they have to also be on the same side of the transversal, or consecutive, meaning right in a row. So on the inside, so we're talking about the angles here, the four angles that are on the inside, but they have to be on the same side of the transversal. So I can see that X and 2, angle X and angle 2, are on the interior, and they're on the same side. They're both on the left side of the transversal. That means that angle X and angle 2 are what we call same side interior angles, or consecutive interior angles. The other pair of same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles would be angle 1 and angle Y. For the same reason, they're both on the right-hand side of the transversal and they're on the interior of the two lines. So angle 1 and angle Y are same side interior angles. Now, again, in our diagram, these lines are not marked parallel because they're not parallel. But if they were parallel, we know, and later we'll prove, that when the lines are parallel, consecutive interior angles or same side interior angles are supplementary. I like to remember that. The easy way to remember that is same side are supplementary. SSS, same side are supplementary. Again, only when the lines are parallel though. So had these lines been marked parallel, then I'd be saying that angle X and angle 2 are congruent, or I'm sorry, are supplementary, or add to 180. And I would also be saying that angle 1 and angle Y are supplementary. But because the lines are not parallel, I'm not going to say that. Now let's look at one other pair of angles here, and these are called same side exterior angles. So again, that should start to make some sense to us because we know that exterior are the ones up here on the outside of the lines, or the ones down here on the outside of that line. And again, my transversal still running here. So when I'm talking about same side exterior, we know we're referring to either angles 1, 2, or 7 and 8. Those are the exterior. And we want the same side, but being on the outside. So that means angle 2 and angle 8 are same side exterior angles, or another name for those is consecutive exterior angles. So 2 and 8, those are same side exterior angles. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 7, they're on the left side of the transversal and on the outside of the lines. So angles 1 and 7 are same side exterior angles or consecutive exterior angles. In our diagram, we know the lines are not parallel, but if they were, then these consecutive exterior angles or same side exterior angles are supplementary. So again, a way to remember that, same side supplementary. Same side interior angles are supplementary and same side exterior angles are supplementary. Again, only though when the lines are parallel.